Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube using 7 effective strategies. If you're looking to make passive income from home, then this video is for you. So make sure to subscribe, like this video so that you don't miss out on any actions. Number 1, create engaging and original content. In order to make money on YouTube, you need to create engaging and original content. That means providing videos that are interesting and entertaining to watch, while also being informative and useful. If you can achieve this, you'll be able to build a large subscriber base and attract viewers who are interested in what you have to say. When it comes to creating engaging and original content, there are countless sources, resources, and materials that can make the research and production process easier. For starters, look to YouTube itself as a source of inspiration. Score the platforms for popular videos in your niche and in topics related to your own channel, and make note of what elements makes them successful. You can also make use of existing resources such as royalty-free music libraries, stock photography websites, online video editing tools, and even free video templates, which gives you a starting point for producing great videos. Other valuable resources include social media influencers who have established audience in specific niche. By connecting with them and leveraging their reach, you can rapidly expand your audience base by tapping into theirs. Additionally, take advantage of platforms like Patreon, where viewers can support creators through donation and subscription. Finally, make use of various analytic tools which can provide insight to audience behavior and help you make educative decisions about your content strategy. By leveraging these sources, resources, and materials available for content creation on YouTube, you'll be able to produce more engaging videos, which will ultimately lead to more views and greater success on the platform. Number 2, build a large subscriber base. Building a large subscriber base is one of the most crucial steps in making money on YouTube. It requires both sustained efforts and creative marketing strategies to make a lasting impact on viewers. The first step to building a successful subscriber base is to make sure that your content is engaging and high quality. Your videos should be interesting and entertaining, while also providing useful information or valuable tips related to your topics. Additionally, make sure you have strong thumbnails which stand out from competitors and attract more clicks. It's also important to invest time in optimizing the SEO of your videos. This means using relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, tags, and even video transcripts so that your content can be easily found by search engines like Google. Additionally, make use of social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote your content and reach new audience which may not have heard of you yet. You should also make use of YouTube's native audience retention features such as end cards or playlists, which can quickly drive up the number of subscribers you have over time. Finally, make it easy for viewers to engage with your channel by responding quickly to comments and messages, as well as including call to action at the end of your videos, which urge viewers to subscribe or follow you on other social media platforms. Building a large subscriber base takes dedication, hard work, and creative marketing, but it can pay off greatly if done right, leading to increased viewership and an increase in revenue opportunities for your channel. Number 3, connect with other YouTubers and collaborate. Connecting with other YouTubers and collaborating is an effective strategy for gaining more attention on the platform, as well as expanding your fan base. It's important to make sure you are connecting with creators who fit in with the type of content you create and make sure their audiences overlap yours. If you can find like-minded creators who share similar interests, it opens up opportunities for guest appearances, roundtable discussions, or even co-hosted videos. This helps to make your own channel more engaging by adding different perspectives and variety to your content. Additionally, if you can make connection with larger influencers, then you can benefit from the extensive reach and influence when it comes to promoting new videos or your channels. You should also make use of platforms such as YouTube groups, which makes it easy for creators to connect and collaborate with each other. Through this community, you can reach out to potential partners and invite them to join in on joint projects or video series. Additionally, make use of hashtag campaigns on social media, which will allow viewers to easily find like-minded people in order to make connections and collaborations that would benefit both parties. In addition to providing exposure for your channel, collaborating with other YouTubers also help build relationships which could lead to future opportunities, such as sponsorships and brand partnerships down the line. So make sure not to overlook the importance of networking and making those connections when it comes time to strategize how best to monetize your YouTube channel. Number 4, use social media to promote your videos. Using social media to promote your videos is a great way to increase exposure for your channel and gain more subscribers. Platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit makes it easy to share content with friends, family, and followers in just a few clicks. Additionally, make sure to utilize YouTube's own social media features such as direct message links and interactive cards, which makes it easier for viewers to subscribe and engage with other content on your platform. Another effective strategy is using hashtag campaigns on these platforms, which makes it easier for people to find relevant channels and topics related to what you're creating. You should also make use of influencers marketing by connecting with larger accounts who have an established following and can help spread awareness of your video by recommending them to their audiences. It is also important to create unique visuals such as graphics or GIFs that stands out when shared across different platforms. This helps make your content more eye-catching and will draw more attention from potential viewers. Don't forget about other forms of multimedia such as audio clips and behind-the-scenes footage, which can be used in promotional posts for added interest. Finally, make sure that you are active on each platform, responding quickly to comments and questions from followers, sharing updates regularly, tagging popular accounts in posts. This will help ensure that viewers stay engaged with your channel over time. By utilizing social media's vast reach, you will be able to maximize exposure of your video while building a strong relationship with existing fans and gaining new ones in the process. Number 5, monetize your video with advertising. The most direct way to make money from YouTube is to monetize your videos with advertising. Through this method, you can receive a portion of the ad revenue that's generated when viewers watch your content. To make the most of this strategy, ensure that your videos are properly optimized for advertisements so that they appear relevant and attractive to potential sponsors and advertisers. This involves adding annotations or cards to videos, which makes it easier for viewers to click on ads, as well as including targeted keywords in titles and descriptions, which makes your video easier to find. Additionally, make sure that you select an appropriate ad format, such as banners, pre-rolls, or mid-rolls, which will be most effective in increasing engagement with your audience. In order to make money from this type of advertisements, it's important to understand how YouTube's ad revenue system works. Generally speaking, YouTube pays out different rates per 1,000 views depending on various factors such as geographical location, ad format used, and more. Moreover, there are certain strategies which can help maximize earnings, such as using ad categories which pay higher rates, or testing different formats within a video in order to determine what gets the best response from viewers. It's also important not to forget about other types of digital advertising, such as affiliate marketing or sponsorship opportunities, which may be available depending on the type of content being created. Additionally, make sure that you don't overuse advertisements in order to keep viewers engaged with your channel and not become overwhelmed by intrusive adverts while watching your content. Lastly, always remember to keep up to date with changes made by YouTube in regards to monetization policies, since these often affect how much revenue one can make through their videos. Number 6, sell products and services related to your channel. Creating an online store and selling products related to your YouTube channel is a great way to make money. This can be anything from physical items like t-shirts, mugs, or stickers to digital products such as ebook or courses. You can also sell these items either through existing e-commerce platforms like Shopify or create your own store using a website builder. One of the benefits of creating a store for your channel is that you can make use of targeted marketing strategies such as email campaigns, which lets you directly reach out to potential customers. Additionally, make sure that you optimize the product page for search engines so that users searching for relevant items will be able to find it easily. You should also make use of social media platforms such as Twitter and Instagram in order to promote the items available in your store and make sure the viewers are aware of them. Another option is offering services related to your content. This could be anything from one-on-one sessions with fans where they get personal advice and support, hosting webinars on specific topics, or providing educational courses related to the videos you make. The key here is finding something unique that other people are not already offering in order to stand out from competitors. You should also make sure that whatever product and services you offer complements the content being created on the channel, rather than being completely separate entities. This will make them more attractive to viewers who may already identify the topics being discussed on YouTube. It is also important not to forget about customer service, as having timely response and providing helpful assistance when needed will help build trust with potential buyers and increase conversational rates. Lastly, make sure that you take advantage of any promotional opportunities available by partnering up with other creators or taking part in sponsored events, which could potentially bring more exposure for both yourself and what you have on offer. Number 7, participate in affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing is a great way for creators to make money on YouTube by promoting products or services that they believe in. In this type of program, the creator promotes a product or service, and if a viewer purchases it through the affiliate link, the creator receives a commission. There are many different affiliate marketing programs available, so it's important to find one that matches the interest and goal of the creator. Additionally, it's important to make sure that any content being created as part of an affiliate marketing campaign is highly quality and provides value to viewers. This will help increase the trust between the creator and potential buyers and encourage more people to purchase items through the affiliate link. Finally, make sure to stay up to date on any changes made by YouTube in regards to its policies on affiliate marketing program. This can often affect how much money can be earned through this type of promotion. Thanks for joining us today as we discuss 7 great ways to make money on YouTube. We hope this video has been helpful and provided some valuable information that you can use to start making money from YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any future videos, and like this video if you find it useful. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye guys.